Hello everyone, I'm Silly, and in this video today I'll tell you everything you need about the VitalFlow. Before you actually buy this product, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about VitalFlow is take great care with the website. You will buy this product because VitalFlow is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, many people are selling this fake product on websites spread over the internet, which can put their health at risk. And for you to take no risk, I will leave the official website link here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll tell you what VitalFlow is and if it actually works. VitalFlow is an all-natural prostate health supplement. Prostate enlargement happens because the human body contains a natural hormone called testosterone naturally. This hormone begins to convert into dihydrotestosterone or DHT as the age of men begins to advance above 50 years. Over time, it begins to accumulate in the body and causes the prostate to increase. After many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with active ingredients extracted from organic sources. Each of them plays an important role in solving their problem with prostate enlargement. Some of the ingredients of VitalFlow are mushrooms, graviola leaves, hygiene, African bark, green tea, selenium, zinc, stinging nettle, and many others. All were specially selected after much research and laboratory testing. VitalFlow with its powerful ingredients will help to control DHT levels, treat and reduce prostate enlargement, prevent and decrease inflammation of the prostate, relieve urethral pain, itching and burning sensations, improve blood circulation and support genital function, control the bladder and urine flow, reduce the constant desire to urinate, reduce the chances of prostate cancer, improve mood and increase desire for your partner, increase stamina and energy. The ingredients present in the VitalFlow formula are fast and effective in their action, therefore it can quickly relieve the user of the symptoms of prostate enlargement. It returns to its normal size in a short time and helps a person feel comfortable. So yes, you can trust this product. Even many men are getting great results with VitalFlow, and you can get results too. Something very important is that VitalFlow has a 60-day warranty, and you can actually test the product, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. Also, for VitalFlow to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. And the correct way to use VitalFlow is for you to take 2 capsules of it every day. You will take every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results, and it is important you do a treatment for at least 4 months of use. You can see the initial results right in the first month of use, but most men have better results after 3 months using this product. It is also important to know that VitalFlow is totally natural and has no side effects. VitalFlow really works. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I'm sure you will have a good result with it. Just be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official website of VitalFlow with guarantee for you access. Dear friends, I hope I have helped you with this information and that you can take advantage of all the benefits that VitalFlow has to offer. See you around. Thanks for watching this video.